Take this green juice in the morning to lose weight and reduce anxiety. This delicious green juice is a powerful fat burner and diuretic, which will help you lose weight and eliminate all the liquid quickly, natural and healthy. It is also an effective anti-anxiety shake, a source of vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system, is a depurative of the blood, helps improve digestion, and fights acne. Important: Dr. Oz recommends this to remove all saturated fat and lose weight fast. Ingredients: a handful of peppermint or mint, a green apple, a lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, a cucumber. Preparation: blend everything until you get a homogeneous drink. You should drink a glass on an empty stomach every morning, thus eliminating anxiety for the rest of the day. By eliminating anxiety, you will stop poking between meals and you will be able to focus squarely on your diet. Other tips for slimming: dinner with little salt. If you want to wake up feeling less bloated, definitely avoid foods high in sodium, advises Carrie Gans, author of The Small Change Diet. What happens is that the salt stays in your system during the night, so that you will wake up more swollen than normal. The best option is to cook a healthy dinner with steamed vegetables and lean protein. None of this is loaded with salt. Exercise at night. You know that sweating can help you lose weight, but you may think that exercising in the next few hours to go to bed may make you unable to sleep. However, this is not true. A survey conducted in 2013 by National Sleep Foundation found that more active people have 56 to 67% more likely to sleep better no matter what time they exercise.